For decades, fighter jets have defined air superiority. Now, a new generation of aircraft is emerging, combining stealth, artificial intelligence, advanced sensors, and unmanned teamwork. Welcome to the future of military aviation. Why air superiority matters. Explain why controlling the skies is a key objective in modern military operations. The evolution of fighter aircraft. Briefly show the progression from early jets to modern stealth aircraft. What makes a fighter next generation? Introduce the main technologies expected in future combat aircraft. Stealth technology. Explain how aircraft are designed to reduce detection. Advanced radar. Describe modern radar and sensor capabilities. Sensor fusion. Show how different sensors work together to improve situational awareness. Artificial intelligence. Explain AI-assisted decision support while emphasizing human oversight. Loyal wingman drone. Explain the concept of unmanned aircraft supporting piloted fighters. Secure communications. Discuss secure networking between aircraft and other military systems. Electronic warfare. Explain how electronic systems help protect aircraft. Speed and performance. Talk about engines, maneuverability, and endurance in general terms. Precision navigation. Explain advanced navigation and mission planning technologies. Pilot safety. Discuss technologies that improve pilot awareness and reduce workload. Engineering challenges. Explain the complexity of designing and testing advanced aircraft. Maintenance and logistics. Show how advanced maintenance helps keep aircraft mission ready. Training the next generation. Explain how simulators and digital training prepare pilots. The future battlefield. Describe how future aircraft may work with drones, satellites, and ground systems. Looking ahead, discuss how future advances could continue to shape military aviation. Grand finale. The future of military aviation is being shaped by innovation, engineering, and decades of research. Which technology do you think will define the next generation of fighter aircraft? Let us know in the comments, subscribe to War Tech, and join us for our next deep dive into military technology.